The men's locker room, dudes walking around naked. Women's locker room, women walking around naked. If a guy walked in to the women's locker room, a naked woman standing there, she would freak out. She'd be like, "Hey! What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here!" But imagine if, like, a girl walked into the men's locker room, naked dude standing there getting some stuff out of the locker, he'd be like, "Hey! What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here." And like the locker room chatter would be so different. Same words, different intonation, right? In the women's locker room, it'd be like, "There's a guy in here. Yeah, I don't know. He just walked in." Men's locker room, "Dude, there's a girl in here. I don't know. She just walked in."